This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering the robot and opening the app. This is where you make the initial connection. Once powered, put the robot into pairing mode and use the app's Connect button. The app will search and show the device name. Make sure Bluetooth or Wi-Fi is active and you've granted location and storage permissions so mapping and firmware downloads complete. After pairing, calibrate sensors if prompted. This prevents navigation drift and gives you a reliable baseline to start automated tasks. Once the map is saved, you configure tasks and behaviors. This is where precision matters. You'll draw or select zones on the saved map, assign priorities, and set schedules. Make sure tasks don't overlap and that high-priority zones run first. Adjust motion parameters like speed and payload limits to match the environment and battery life, and set sensor thresholds to avoid collisions. Test a single short route in manual mode to validate settings before enabling full automated sequences. You complete the setup by starting automation and watching telemetry. This confirms routes and battery consumption behave as expected. Monitor live video, position, and error alerts during initial runs. If a fault appears, pause tasks and inspect the log entries for collision or sensor warnings. If behavior persists, reboot the robot, rerun mapping at a slower sweep, and install any firmware updates. These steps resolve most issues. If problems continue, export diagnostics and contact support with the log attached for deeper analysis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.